everybody, so today's vlog is we're here at the used cars, planning to purchase a car for my vlog, like doing the revving engine. So I saw this car, manual car. It's a manual car, this one, but the room is nice. So well, come with me because I'm gonna look around today for the cars, used cars, so I have to check if I can find a cheaper one. So keep you updated. So we're here, my husband, and then we have to look for some cars here. Hello everybody, it's me, Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm here in the car sales because I was planning to buy a used car for my driving videos, like revving engines. So if you want to request that, so at least I have more freedom to do that than my family car. So this time, this is the B200 Mercedes. So let's see, and this is my first time to go inside, so let's check it out. Come with me. So, oh my god, this is so sexy car. So look at this one. So we're gonna ask how much is it because it's a used car, but of course expensive car. Oh my gosh, no. We'll see. I don't know how to use it, but anyway. So this is the pedals.
Yeah, in the front.
Here?
Below.
Below?
Below? Yeah. The handle.
So it's well, never mind. It's okay. I will just try. So this is the gas pedal. Gas pedal. Oh, it's an automatic car. Oh my gosh! Wow. So come with me here. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So this is the car inside the Mercedes. It's really wow. My gosh. Okay. After here, we were gonna ask how much the price, and then well, stay with me. So we have to look furthermore, and then. So I'm looking for Toyota Vios with automatic car. So I'm gonna check inside because I did not know what's inside, so I have to check first. Oh, okay, that's how it looks like. So you have to look further because the car price here is 300,000. So okay, again we have to. This is the car dealers here in Bacolod City. So for now, I have a driver. This is my husband.
Hello.
And sit and relax for me this time. So kini siya, pila ni siya?
So 500 plus pala mo?
Ah, 500 plus.
500 plus.
Ah, good as you, no?
And Mitsubishi Mirage. Ate. Oh. 460. 460.
Wala mo 100 plus. Wala. Hi, so next step is we have to try these Vios. But this one, the price for used car is about 500,000. So that's quite expensive because yeah, it's a used car. And well, let's try the car. Let's try the car. Sit inside the car. Oh, it's working good. Wow. So this is how it looks like inside for the Vios. Because I was planning to purchase a Vios, but for about 100. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is the parking, and this is so sexy. Oh my gosh. And here it's already parked. Oh my god, I heard the sounds. So this is the pedals of the car. So I'm gonna show you the car pedals. So we're gonna review the car. Oh my gosh, this is a strong car. And And this is it, and I'm gonna show you around. Wow, really fits me good. I love it. It's a hand. So okay, again, it's gonna start the car. Oh my gosh, so good. You can try. This is also another Wigo. Oh no, Vios. So that's the Vios. And this is my car, Toyota Wigo.
Yeah, you can ask. It's also automatic. Oh, that's nice. You can ask for both cars. I think so. Oh, now I know why this one is so expensive. To inquire for the Vios, you need a year mileage, and for the Mitsubishi. Oh.
So that is the old model, and this is the new model. And the difference for this one is the light here at the back. As you can see. So pila, okay na siya, nakatry na migay na. Kini siya lahi ni?
Only information. Only info.
Information lang.
We want oh wait.
Pila ni siya?
520 wala mama?
520?
Is that one? 5?
Ariado 580.
580?
Take that one.
And pictures is here.
I know.
So let's try this car. This is Mitsubishi model. Unsa nga model gani?
19 ma'am.
2019 model, and the price of this one is 460,000 pesos. So this is used car. And then okay, we're gonna check inside. So this is the gas pedal. This is an automatic car. So it's really high. You can really oversee the road compared to the Wigo. Oh, yeah, Wigo and Vios. So well, anyway, this is automatic car. This is how it looks like inside. This is the set. Well, and this is the radio. It's very nice. So okay, the mirror adjustment here, and this is the side mirror, and here the drawer. You can put your money here. And then, well, it can fit with 2 person, of course. One for me and then my riders. So it really looks good. So where's the key? So I need to start the car. I will try. So I will try to start the car. Let's try this first. Oh my gosh, it's starting very good. But I need to do some kind of oil here. So let's rev the car. Oh my god, it's really good.
Not too much, huh?
This is good. So this is all, and I really love this car.
Okay.
This is the back of the car. And of course, this is the front. It's really beautiful here. It's nice viewing. And so I'm gonna make videos here from the machine.
No, for the crashes.
Ah,
No, wala crash.
okay, wait sa.
No, machine is okay. I know. It's mostly for this. And you look
Yes,
here, when it's deformed, then you know it's involved in
Fresh.
crash. Oh.
and people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.